Hello friend, myself Rajesh from Universal Public School, Shahjani Awrad. Now today we start a new chapter as integer. Before that we go to number system, right? To number system. In that first is natural number, right? What is the definition of natural number? The collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers. Are you right here? The collection of counting numbers. The collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers. And usually natural numbers are denoted by capital letter N, right? So N is a natural number, right? The collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers, and the numbers come from counting numbers means we start. तो हम काउंट कैसे करते हैं? जीरो से नहीं कर सकते. अब आपके रूल नंबर देखो, जीरो से नहीं रहेंगे, 1 2 3 4 या. तो according to definition, the collection of counting numbers are called natural numbers. The counting numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, right? Second is whole number. Whole numbers and is denoted by W, right? What is whole numbers? What is whole numbers? The natural number including zero or counting numbers are including zero are called whole numbers. Right here, the natural numbers including zero are called whole numbers. Whole numbers के example 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. See here, whole numbers means the natural numbers including zero are called whole numbers, and it is represented by capital letters W. And third is integer. Integers, right? And denoted by I or Z, right? तो definition देखो integer का. Integers is the collection of whole numbers along with, or you write here, integers are the whole numbers along with -1 -2 -3 and so on, which is denoted by I or Z, right? So what is the definition of integer? Integers are the whole numbers along with -1 -2 and -3. तो एग्जाम्पल कैसे लिखेंगे हम इंटीजर के? -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 and so on, and this is also so on, right? This is integers, and integers are represented by I or Z. Next we go to absolute value. So absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of a integer absolute value of an integer. See here, absolute value of an integer is the nominal value of integer without taking its sign into consideration. तो इसे हम देखो टू पैरल लाइन के बीच में लिखते हैं और इसे मॉड कहते हैं, राइट. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एनी इंटीजर. इंटीजर मीन्स the whole numbers along with -1, -2, -3 and so on are called integers, right. तो see here absolute value का साइन क्या है, तो टू पैरेलल लाइन रहेंगे, राइट, और इसका हम मॉडुलस कहेंगे, राइट. तो see here mod of -24 is equal to 24, right. The value of any number in the modulus will be 20, will be always positive. तो मॉड के अंदर जो भी नंबर आप साइन रखेंगे और माइनस रखे तो वो बाहर आके 24 प्लस होगा, राइट. सपोज -8 is equal to 8. This is the absolute value of an integers. And see here -10 रहा तो इसका आंसर +10 रहेगा, राइट. See here, addition of two positive integer is same as addition of two whole numbers because every positive integer is a whole number. तो आप लिखना है तो लिखो every positive integer is a whole number. Next we go to additive inverse. See here, additive inverse, the negative of an integer, the negative of an integer, the negative of an integer is called the additive inverse of an integer. See your definition. The negative of an integer is called the additive inverse of an integer. Suppose you take any integer as a, then the additive inverse of a is -a, right. Suppose, see here, example, if a is a integer, then the additive inverse of a is -a. Suppose if -a is an integer, then the additive inverse of -a is +a, right. Additive inverse of -a is equal to a, right. Additive inverse of -a is a. तो रिवर्स रहेगा. सपोज a रहा तो उसका इनवर्स माइनस में रहेगा. सपोज माइनस में इंटीजर रहा तो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स प्लस में रहेगा. ओके. And see here, the sum means plus करना है हमें. The sum of integer and additive inverse is always 0, right. Always 0 means, see here, a is an additive plus sum करना है, right. Additive inverse of integer, a is an integer, then additive inverse is -a, right. देखो a as it is, plus into minus is -a, therefore a minus a is 0. The sum of integer and additive inverse is always 0. Suppose you take any example of an integer, suppose phi is an integer, suppose phi is an integer, then additive inverse of phi is minus phi. Suppose you take any number, any negative number, suppose 10, minus 10 is an integer, then the additive inverse of minus 10 is 10. Opposite में रहेंगे. Okay, additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. Next we go to subtraction of integer. Subtraction of an integer. तो subtraction देखो, if you take any two integers and subtract them, suppose I will take 2 minus 6, or you write here 2 plus minus 6 in bracket also, right? So 2 minus 6, see here 2 is smaller than 6, तो first 6 लेना है तो minus sign लेना है, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 4. तो subtraction of integer ऐसे करना है आपको, right? Next we go to properties. Next we go to properties of addition, subtraction, addition and subtraction of integer. तो प्रॉपर्टी देखो, तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज व्हाट इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. Here this is very important properties of integer. See here, what is closure property? For any integer a and b, a plus b will be an integer, right? For any integer, a and b, for any integer a and b, a plus b is an, or a plus b will be an integer. Suppose you take a is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to 5, then a plus b is equal to minus 7 plus 5. See here, the largest number will be 7 and sign will be minus, तो हमें minus लेना है. If two signs are different, then we subtract. तो minus 7 plus 5, तो minus 7 or 5 minus 7 is 2. See here, 2 is an integer. What is integers? Integers, the whole numbers including or along with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are called integers. तो integers में प्लस नंबर भी रहेंगे, माइनस नंबर भी रहेंगे और जीरो भी रहेंगे. minus 2 is an integer. Suppose, और इसमें देखो, for any integer a and b, a minus b will be an integers, right? You take this example. See here, minus 7 minus 5. See here, if two signs are same, then we will be add and write the sign. So minus 7 plus 5 is 12. See, yes, 12 is an integer. This is closure property. A plus b और a minus b होना चाहिए, उसे हम closure property कहते हैं. And see here, integers are closed under addition, and in this integers are closed under subtraction. You write here statement, integers are closed under addition and always Next, second property is commutative property. Commutative property. तो फर्स्ट एडिशन का देखो, फर्स्ट उसमें एडिशन, राइट? if A and B are the integers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is closure commutative property under addition. See here, take any integers. A is equal to -5 and B is equal to -6. See here, A plus B is equal to B plus A. हमें प्रूफ करके दिखाना है, right? See here, A plus B is equal to A is -5 plus -6, -5 plus into minus is -6, right? -11. Again, B plus A is equal to B is -6 plus -5, -6 plus into minus is -5, again -11. See here, A plus B is equal to B plus A, right? Therefore, A plus B is equal to B plus A, right? तो आप लिखो एडिशन इज कॉम्पिटिटिव फॉर, एडिशन इज कॉम्पिटिटिव फॉर इंटीजर्स, तो A plus B plus A कॉम्पिटिटिव और इट इज satisfied the addition. But see here, तो एडिशन तो हो गया. सेकेंड इसमें हम माइनस लेंगे, तो A माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू बी माइनस ए. सेटिस्फाई होता है क्या? नहीं. देखो, -5 -6, तो -5 माइनस इंटू माइनस +6 इज इक्वल टू 1, and B minus A, B is -6 and A is -1, -6. So -1. See here, -5 plus 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, but here -6 plus 5 is -1. So see here, subtraction is not under कॉम्पिटिटिव, राइट? तो देखो यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ -1 है, तो यहाँ साइन भी आपको देखना पड़ेगा. सी है -5 plus 6, तो इन दोनों में जो लार्जर नंबर है +6 है, इसलिए 6 minus 5 is +1, and in this -6 is a larger number, that's why -6 plus 5 is equal to -1. That's why subtraction is not commutative for integers. Subtraction is not commutative for integers, right? See here, A plus B is equal to B plus A, but here A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Next, see here, third one is associative property. In that, see here, if the first case addition, if A comma B and C are integers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B तो फर्स्ट टर्म बाहर छोड़ो, सेकेंड टू टर्म को ब्रैकेट डालो, इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टू टर्म को ब्रैकेट में डालो, लास्ट टर्म को छोड़ो, राइट। तो सी है, if a, b and c are integers, then a plus bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b bracket plus c, right। तो एग्जांपल देखो, if और एग्जांपल a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to -8, or you take a is equal to -4, right, -4, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to -8। तो एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b bracket plus c। तो हमें प्रूफ करके दिखाना है। फर्स्ट दिस पार्ट आई विल टेक a plus b plus c। c है, a is -4 plus b is 5 plus and c is -8। तो -4 प्लस 5 ब्रैकेट वैसे ही रखना है, प्लस इंटू माइनस इज -8, -4 प्लस सी है -5 और 5 -8 इज इक्वल टू -3। तो -4 प्लस इंटू माइनस इज -3, आंसर इज -7। Next, a plus b plus c is equal to, so see here, a is -4 plus 5 plus c is -8, correct। तो -4 plus 5, right, तो 1 plus -8, 1 plus into minus is -8, so my 8 minus 1 is -7। See here, a plus b is equal to a minus b, addition is right here, therefore addition is associate for integer। तो हमें क्या, if you take any numbers a b c, you take positive numbers or negative numbers, you take 2 3 4, right। तो 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 7, again plus 2 is 9, and see here in this case 2 plus 3 plus 4, so 5 plus 4 is again 9 if you take negative integer or positive integers, right। So addition is associative for integers। तो देखो for subtraction, right, तो associative property क्या होगी, a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c। तो दोनों इक्वल है कि नहीं देखना चाहिए हमें। तो टेक हियर a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4, right। So see here, a is 2, so I will take a minus b minus c is equal to a is 2 minus b is 3 and c is 4। So 2 minus 3 minus 4 is -1, 2 minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 3, right। You take a minus b is equal to -c, a is 2 minus b is 3 and c is 4। So here 2 minus 3 is -1, -4, -1 minus 4 is -5। See here, a minus bracket b minus c is not equal to b minus a minus b minus c, it is not equal। See here, this is not equal, therefore you write here subtraction is not associative for integer. Subtraction is not associative for integers. Next is additive inverse. Additive identity. Additive identity. See here, when we add 0 to any whole number, we get the same whole number. So we call 0 as the additive identity for whole number. In the same way, 0 is added to any identity for integers, then we get the same integer. Or you write here, suppose we add, 0 to any integer, then we get same integer. See your example, a plus 0 is equal to a. Suppose minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Suppose 5 plus 0 is 5. Or you take 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Right? If we add 0 to any integer, then the value of integer will be same. Then we call as additive identity. Right? तो एडिशन का सपोज एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या है, 0 है. द एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ एडिशन इज 0. राइट? When we add to 0 any number, we get always as same integers. Right? See here, a plus 0 or 0 plus a is equal to again a. This is the identity. Additive identity is 0. So additive identity is 0. In this class we study the absolute value of an integer. तो absolute value क्या रहता है, तो उसमें मॉड में लिखते हैं -4 रहा तो भी उसे हम 4 कहते हैं. साइन में इसका पॉजिटिव रहेगा, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. राइट? तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एन इंटीजर, right? Addition of integer, additive inverse of any number is minus. Suppose you take additive inverse, so a is an integer, then the additive inverse of a is minus a. Suppose -5 is an integer, then the additive inverse of -5 is 5. Then we go to properties of addition and subtraction of an integer. In that we studied, first property is closure property. Right? तो addition में a plus b, right? a plus b is always closure property. Right? a minus b is closed under subtraction. Right? तो a minus b as well as a plus b, तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी में एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन दोनों सेटिस्फाइज होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी गो टू कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इन दैट एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉम्यूटेटिव एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इज नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव. राइट? नेक्स्ट वी गो टू associative property. In that also addition is associative property. क्या है, तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी a plus b is equal to b plus a है. associative property a plus b plus c, तो ब्रैकेट डालना है. फर्स्ट ए को ए से छोड़े तो b प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, राइट। नेक्स्ट वी गो टू एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी, तो यही है एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी। इफ वी ऐड 0 टू एनी नंबर देन वी विल गेट द सेम नंबर और इंटीजर, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्लास वी गो टू practice set. Okay, thank you.